dude. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Having a little surprise for you. I know it's expected, but please bear with it and watch.
I begin to. I begin to.
Happy birthday, Pradeep. Enjoy and slow.
हाय बेटा, हैप्पी बर्थडे। बहुत बहुत साल, हजारों साल जियो, ऐसे ही जीते रहो और मस्ती करते रहो और सबका ध्यान रखते रहो और केयर करते रहो और यहाँ पे आते रहो। लेकिन तुम आते नहीं हो तो हमें नहीं अच्छा लगता। फिर भी अदरवाइज ऑल द बेस्ट, हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन, मेनी मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे।
Hey, wish you a very happy birthday. Mayank gets very awkward with these kind of videos. तो उसने बोला वो फ़ोन करके विश कर देगा बट वीडियो नहीं भेज पाएगा. So I'm wishing on his behalf as well. Hope you have a great day tomorrow with lots of surprises and you guys go out and eat, which we can't do here. So anyway, now coming to my favorite memory. Favorites तो बहुत सारी हैं, but a memory to remember is जब हमने सिटी वाले घर में बेसन तोड़ दिया था स्केट करते करते. सो वी हैड लाइक आई हैड गॉट न्यू स्केट्स फ्रॉम मेरठ और समर वेकेशन के लिए आए थे. मैं प्रतीक को सिखा रही थी और हम दोनों ने बेसन इतनी ज़ोर से खींचा कि वो पूरे अपनी सेटिंग में से बाहर निकल गया एंड वो टूट गया. हम काफ़ी रोए थे आई थिंक तब और डांट भी पड़ी थी, बट नाउ टू थिंक अबाउट इट इट्स क्वाइट फनी. सो आई वोंट से इट्स अ फेवरेट मेमोरी बट इट्स अ मेमोरी टू रिमेंबर. सो दैट्स फ्रॉम माई साइड एंड कल कॉल करेंगे. Wish you a very happy birthday once again and have a great year. Bye bye.
Hi Pratik, wishing you a very happy birthday, brother. I hope you have a great day and a really wonderful year ahead. I have always wished and prayed for your success, well-being and happiness and the togetherness of both of y'all. It has indeed been a long time since we last met. All thanks to Corona for playing the spoil sport in that regard. But having said that, I am hoping to see you guys very soon so that we can have a blast together. And yeah, let's catch up very soon. Happy birthday once again. Party hard. See you soon.
Hi Pratik, I want to wish you a very happy birthday and may you get everything you want in your life and you both stay the happiest possible couple in the world. And whenever I see your pictures, whenever I see both of you together, you look super cute. You guys are adorable and I really remember the time when I had met her and you in together, and I actually felt that you both are dating each other but not telling, which is okay. But I just want to tell about Pratik that he's the most amazing person, and how I remember him and the memories that I have are very dear, and he respects me a lot, which is what I remember the most. He remembers, he messages, and this is what I really like about him. And I think keep the way you are, be as good as you are and never change, and you are the most amazing person I've ever met. You always bring smile to other people, so I think that's the best thing, and you're very well brought up, so God bless you and both of you have fun and enjoy your life.
Happy 33rd birthday, Mr. Malhotra.
stay same, stay happy, stay blessed with good health, wealth, and what else you need when you have a wife like Vasudha.
हाँ वसुधा का नाम लेके चढ़ा दो वसुधा को हैप्पी बर्थडे भैया तंग नहीं करना उसको
Hello guys, hi everyone. Happy birthday Pratik. All the best wishes. God bless you. Many happy returns of the day.
Hi Pratik, wishing you a very happy birthday. May you have a very rocking year ahead and hope this year brings you all the happiness जो आप desire करते हैं.
Happy birthday, Pratik. Shina, happy to you, Kanto? Happy? Happy to you.
Hi Pratik, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pratik. Keep rocking and काफ़ी दिनों बाद काफ़ी अच्छा टाइम साथ में स्पेंड हुआ है. लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर मोर सच गेट टुगेदर्स एंड होप टू स्टे बेस्ट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स फॉर लाइफ. बाकी मस्ती मारेंगे साथ में और लाइफ जिएंगे फुल. एंजॉय योर डे. जम्मू आके मिलते हैं. बाय.
Hello bro, happy birthday. Hope you are enjoying your day. So I was asked to share a memory of ours. वैसे तो there are a lot, but the one which I remember the most is our morning ritual in office which we followed Velapanti by visiting everybody's desk, getting them information, providing them informations as well with the latest news going on. So I hope you remember we got the award for that as well in the Kazo night, Jay and Viru award, which was the talk of the town that time. Yeah, that was the best part and the best time of ours, which I always remember. So there are a lot, many more memories of ours like bird watching, blah blah blah. I think everybody knows that because men will be men, they never change. Yeah, so good luck boss and enjoy your day. Have a blast and lots of love. Bye.
Hi Pratik, I'm so sorry for a late reply while I'm traveling. First of all, a very happy birthday. I know it has been an amazing experience with you guys together in Kazo. So, अभी मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल है कि I could just disclose the memories, but I just wish you to have a great happy birthday. Bye. अच्छा, I'm really sorry, मैंने बहुत छोटी सी क्लिप बनाई. So I just have one wish from you, Pratik. I want you to dance on that number. मतलब basically I could be Basanti and you both can be Jay Viru, and I want to dance on some good numbers, maybe Battamee still or anything, in my wedding. So I want that. ठीक है? Bye bye.
Piku bhai, wishing you many happy returns of the day. Wishing you loads of success and मुझे भी रख ले काम पे.
Hi Pratik, wishing you a very happy and joyous birthday. May you always keep smiling.
Hey bro, cheers to your day. Hope we could celebrate it together, but never mind, we'll meet sooner and party on. Have an amazing day. Good luck.
Hello bro, what's up? Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hi Pratik, happy birthday from me and Gurleen. Enjoy your day, have fun, party hard. दारू मत पियो, तू पीता ही नहीं है, ठीक है, बर्फ लोगों को पिला दियो. चल, we'll meet soon, okay, bye bye.
Wishing you loads of love and happiness. This is your day. Enjoy your day. I know you always keep me happy and make the smallest of the most moments more bigger. I wish the same for you. Have the greatest day ahead and loads of love always. Keep me happy and I will keep you happy. Get that?